What's up, foodies? First things first, we thank all of our subscribers for supporting us through this journey with us, and I hope you guys can support us further. In this video, we're going to keep it nice and simple, and we're going to show you how to make a double cheeseburger and keep it really simple with simple ingredients. And we have cheese ready for us, and we have some buns, and we have our mincemeat, and we've got some onions. We have onion granules, so we won't need to chop onions for this, but we will use onions for our caramelized onions. We've also got some black pepper, some salt, and some garlic powder, and that's all we need for this. Okay, so the first things first, what we're going to do is we are going to add some onion granules. So 1 teaspoon is sufficient, but you can always add more or less. So we're going to go ahead and add some onion granules. Okay, so we've got our onion granules. You can always add more, but we're going to go for simple, subtle flavors. So now we are going to add a teaspoon, or just under a teaspoon of black pepper. So let's put some back, that looks too much. So that's the black pepper done. Okay, and now we're going to add some garlic powder. Again, we're going to add 1 teaspoon. The reason why this recipe is super simple is because we are actually using 1 teaspoon of everything rather than different amount of ingredients, so it's really nice and easy to follow. Okay, so we're going to mix it now, making sure not to over mix it. So I'm going to mix the ingredients well. That's it. That's your mixing done. Now we're going to be making the patties. So what we've got for the patties is one of these. What we'll do is we'll put a link in the description box below, so you can actually grab one of these if you don't have one already. And what you'll need to do is oil it a little bit so the patty don't actually stick to it and it's easy to get out. Okay, so we'll get on with this. Okay, so we've got our oil ready over here. We've got a little brush, so we can just whack that oil in there. So it's some greasy. Put some over here as well. Okay, set that to a side, and we can get some mincemeat over here, roughly about that much, depending on how thick you want it. We can make probably about 6 patties over here, 5 or 6. Let's see how many we actually get. So put this on the side. All you have to do is squeeze it, make sure it's compact. There you go. There you are. That's perfect. So now we're going to take it out. Okay, so let's just take this out. There you go. It's a nice patty there. And we are going to put this straight into the fryer. Okay, so we have our patties ready, and we are going to start frying them now. Okay, first one in. The second one. So we're going to put another one in here. There we go. Okay, so we've got some chips, and we are going to put that in. Try not to burn yourself. The oil should have been slightly more hotter, but that will do. Okay, so now we are going to chop up some onions, and this is for the burger itself, so it's going to be caramelized. Okay, so let's chop this onion. Try to get it as equal as possible. If not a problem. It's all going to get caramelized anyway. one medium sized onion should do if you're making 2 to 3 burgers, or maybe 1.5 or 4. And that's it, that's the onions done. Okay, so let's check our onions in here. So we can add a bit of salt in this one as well. Mix the onions slightly, and then you can actually leave this aside. Just cover it up with a lid and leave it set aside, and that will caramelize nicely. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes or so. We're going to put the burgers, the patties. There we go. That's what we want. We want nice browning on the underside. Perfect. So this one. There we go. Okay, so let's get our buns ready for our burgers. So we've got some American buns. Put it in our toaster. Wipe that in for about... Okay, we're going to put it in for about 30 seconds. That's it. Okay, our chips are ready, so we're going to just take it out and put it in this. Okay, so we are going to place one of these cheeses on the actual patty. Okay, and then we'll put another cheese on this one. Okay, here goes the fun part. We're going to stack this on top of this one, and we're going to take this and rock it on top of our bun. Look at that. Perfect. There you go, guys. This is your caramelized onions done. You can actually go further with it, but this is where we're going to stop. We're going to put it on our burger. Okay. This is the fun bit. Okay, so we're going to add a bit of sauce on top. So we're going to add some mayonnaise. Add a bit of ketchup. Okay, time to put the bun on. Okay, so now all that's left to do with this is to have a taste. You can check this out. Look at the sauce oozing out there. Nice onions. Let's take a bite and find out how it tastes. Mmm. That is absolutely amazing. I'm going to go for a second bite. Alright guys, this was a nice little quick video to show you how you can make a simple double cheeseburger. So I'm going to enjoy this. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the links in the description box below. And we'll see you on the next video.